Hello friends, welcome back. Okay, so now we're moving on to our next section, which is called thinking about objects. Here it says expected joker to fill in this value, and we see it's failing on this line. So our Jasmine spec is failing here. This is the path to the object, and it's called about objects .js. So I can copy that file path and then come over to the to Atom. Press Command P, and that'll get me to the JavaScript Koans. Also, alternatively, I can press Command and the / key to open up this side tab, and I can open it here. Or finally, if you really want to, you can just go, you've got your Koans folder here, and you can just go into it and open it via here. And so they're all exactly opening up the same file. So I'm going to press the Command and the # key, and then we can get rid of the previous files, and we're going to get started. So this one we're thinking about objects. So it's kind of already telling you the answer. It expects joker to fill this value in. So fill me in is right here. But I want to go through this in detail. So let's open up. I'm going to right click and press inspect. Okay, cool. And then we go to the console. So this gives us a JavaScript console. So here before each of these functions, so before these two functions, it's setting a megalomaniac as an object. So if I were to just save that, we could just say let megalomaniac equal this. Well, then if we did megalomaniac, we would have a object with a key value of Mastermind Joker and Henchwoman Harley. And so if we were to go megalomaniac megalomaniac dot, and then here it says megalomaniac dot mastermind, and then we see it returns Joker. And that makes sense because this is our object, and our object is equal to this, and so when we say this guy dot mastermind, that gives us that. And so here we want to fill this in with the string of Joker. So here it says it should confirm that properties are case sensitive. So henchwoman to be henchwoman. Okay, so what they're saying is to pay attention to case sensitivity. So megalomaniac and then henchwoman. So it's a W, and then here they have a capital W. So that should probably not work, right? So this, what do you think this is going to be? Megalomaniac dot mastermind was Joker, but the henchwoman is Harley. Okay, cool. So Harley. And then what about megalomaniac that henchwoman? My guess is this is going to be undefined, right? Cool. And so here, instead of saying undefined like that, like we don't make it a string. I think we just go undefined. And so cool. Now, if I save this and I come back over to my this is the Chrome, just Google Chrome, any web browser really, then we should be able to refresh. And then when we scroll down, we see that considering properties has been taken care of, and we're going to move on to our next one, which is going to be about considering the in keyword. And we're going to do that in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and we'll see you in the next one.